Hey, it's Perry here from Thinglish Lifestyle, and I just want to do a quick update of what we're doing after the trees fell here at the farm, causing quite a bit of damage. So let's get into it. Here's a profile of the tank that the tree fell on, crushing it, sending gallons of water everywhere. Instead of throwing it away, I'm actually going to cut it off about 12 or 18 inches from the bottom and then use it as a pool to grow azula. So that's the what's left of the lychee tree. And here's the new water tank, exactly the same as the last one, and that just needs to be plumbed in now. And next to it we used to have a beautiful old urn, but that got smashed to smithereens like a teacup, so we can't get any more of those around here. They don't make them anymore, no one makes them anymore, and so we had to buy this 2,000 gallon tank. It's kind of like a fiberglass tank, I think, and we've had to build a platform to put it on so we can get access to the tap. So eventually we'll have the rainwater capture from the roof back into this tank, and then we'll capture the rains when they fall again. But we're in the dry season now, so we're not expecting any rain for quite a while. Next to that, we've got a brand new catfish tank. So the back wall of the original tank that was here went down with the tree, as did a lot of the branches from the mango tree here. That's made a nice comeback actually. It's got some nice growth on it now. But we completely demolished the rest of this tank, and then we've had it built up. So that's got some water in it now. We'll leave that in there for several weeks or a month or so, and then drain it off, refill it, plant it out, and then get some more catfish in there. The catfish, what we had, I think it was in another video, I can't remember. We gave them away to the builders who are helping us, and ate quite a lot ourselves, and put a few in our main pond. So that's looking all nice and kind of ship shape again now, but then it was. And what we're also going to do, come back over here, is I'm going to this gap in between, I'm going to take some of the wood from the tree, make a small wall from wood, from the larger branches and trunks, and then fill up with soil, and then plant it out, make a nice beautiful garden. And then we're actually going to put some posts in each corner, and then put a trellis across the top, and then we're hoping to grow kiwi. We're trying to get some kiwi for a long time, so hopefully I can get some kiwi, grow that, and then that'll provide some shade to the pond, because before we've had like shade cloth on it, but it doesn't look very nice. So ideally, if I can do it more in a natural kind of way and grow some kiwis, that's a winner all around for me. So that's that plan there, and then clean up the rest of the area, plant it all behind, make it all look nice, clear it all up basically. And then while the builders were looking at this, I said to them, you know that job we had when we built the house, why don't we finish that off? Why don't we actually cost me out the front porch of the house? We didn't do it because we had a load of bees in there, but we've been taking bees away, getting them into these little wooden boxes and transferring them basically. So there's still some in here, as you can see, and that's there. They're coming in and out. Hopefully I can focus on there. So there's still some bees in there, but many of them we've got out. So they costed it out and I said, yep, okay, let's go ahead with this. And we've completely redeveloped the front of the house. Walk back here a little bit, it's a bit of a building site. So what we've done here is we took a section of the wall out here and a post, vertical post, and then extended it and put the post further across. We took all the roof off and all the wooden structure and replaced it with a steel frame. So it's all steel frame now. Put a new roof on, and all the tiles have come off the walls around the sides. These are going to be concrete to match the structures over there. Just concrete, and then some tiles on the top, just so we can sit on it and not get too dirty. And then we've got this other room here, which is going to be like a cold storage kind of room, and this is where we're going to keep our chocolate, keep it at a nice temperature, and do some things there. If ever things change here and the rest of the world with tourism and things like that, then this will be our little kind of farm shop. But for locals, even just for Thai tourism, this will be our farm shop. So we'll have a chocolate in there and various other things we're doing. Out here, we made a recess. So we're going to have a window in there, in this space here, opposite that window. So just to let some light in that room, and that's actually like a second bedroom. So no one really goes in there. If they go in at night, it's dark anyway, so not a big deal. But the rest of the wall up there, there's going to be a ceiling in here, and that'll be that room. In here we've got a recess here. If I get back, just trying to find my way through all this rubble. Give a different shot. So we've got a recess in here, and this is going to be tiled out, so it's we can just hose it down and clean it off. But we're going to have three wooden boxes in here, located here, and they will be for fermenting cacao beans. So we'll do our own fermenting from our own beans from our farm here. So all totally in-house, nothing has to move too far. Make it super easy to produce our treatable cacao. So as this is going out, as I'm shooting this, it's like early December, like the first or second week of December. We have been producing bean-to-bar chocolate already, and we'll probably get up for sale and giving it away, etc. in beginning of January. So it's all exciting, just getting finalised on the packaging and things like that. Chocolate's actually amazing. Claire's done a remarkable work there, figuring out all that. And the trees, our trees at home are producing fruit, and some of the trees here, just a few trees here, just started to flower up. So be back a year before we get real sort of production going here from the farm. But all heading in the right direction. And what we've also done here is a lot of the trees here, I think I planted 50 or 60 vanilla vines on lots of the trees. So just kind of labouring up what we're doing and utilising the space as much as possible. So again, that's a long process, probably be 18 months before we get some vanilla beans, maybe even a little bit longer. And then we'll have our own vanilla to sell and using our own products and things like that. So that's a very lucrative crop. I don't know why more people aren't doing it. It's a bit tedious, I think, when you have to pollinate the flowers, but besides that, it's all good. So anyway, that's another story. This is our current building site at the farm. Hopefully it gets done in the next couple of weeks before the new year, and then we can tidy this place up again. Drives me nuts. But yeah, so out of the disaster of the tree, we've got everything pretty much how we want it now. The actual tree coming down is actually let's loads more light into the house. So anyway, so out of that disaster, it's going to be looking good. The rest of the house is really good. So this final piece of construction here, we didn't actually what we was going to do with this, but now we're sat on chocolate. It's perfect. So good job we waited. Else we would have been wasting our money. Anyway, that's a quick update, and it's getting late now. I'm going to shoot off home, and I'll feed the chickens and stuff and all the animals. But and then I'm going to shoot off home. But that's a quick update, and we'll come back. The next one, we've got lots of travelling to do the next few weeks, so I'm not going to be here. We're going to be Coquud. So look out for videos of Coquud, the Royal Cliff Hotel. I'm going to Wonderfruit Festival and Nongnuch Botanical Gardens, all down in Pattaya. So check out some travel videos coming up soon. But until then, stay safe, have a great day, and subscribe and like the video. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy. Ciao.